Hello everyone, myself Varun Gupta. Today we discuss on the important topics of BSc, which was the mark in 7 to 9 mark in BSc. So their topic was the morphology of bacteria. So we discuss the morphology of bacteria depend on two factors. First was the internal and external structure of cell, and second was the cellular characteristics. So in the internal and external of cell, first there are two type of cells shows in bacteria or other organisms, which was a prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell, without the nuclear membrane, this type of cell is without nuclear membrane, and in eukaryotic cell, the cell is present with the nuclear membrane. So we are going to further discuss the external features of bacteria. So in that external feature of bacteria, we calculate on the three factors. First was the size, second was the shape, and third was the arrangement. In size of bacteria, we measure the bacteria in micrometer because bacteria are the microscopic organism which cannot see with our naked eyes. So the micrometer was the so smaller unit which is able to see the bacteria. Second was the shape of bacteria. So the bacteria show different type of shape, which either be the spherical, rod, comma, or a spiralum. Different type of shape present in bacteria. Third was the factor. It's a arrangement of bacteria. So in these, the arrangement of bacteria, it either be singular, either be the double, either be the present in chain, or either be the present of group. So we, if you see the micrometer, if you wanted to see the micrometer, I will see you. If you see the scale, the ruler scale, you see the 0 to 1 with a differentiation of 10 pointers. So each one centimeter represents 10 micrometer. Each one represent one. So you see that the it's a micrometer is so small unit which cannot see with our naked eyes, and that's why we use the micrometer to calculate, to describe the bacteria shape and size. So bacteria are the microscopic organism, and we use microscope to only to see it. Okay. So we are going to further discuss the shape and the type of bacteria. So bacteria has the 4 different shape and 4 different type of bacteria. First was the coccus bacteria, which was a spherical form bacteria, which known as spherical form bacteria, and it was arrived from the Greek word kokos. It arrived from the Greek word kokos, which means berry. The kokos was derived from the Greek word which means berry. So second type of bacteria was the bacillus form, which is the Greek word arrived from the bacteria was the bacillus, which was known as stick, and this was also bacillus form bacteria, also called the rod-shaped bacteria. So third form of bacteria is known as Sphaerium form of bacteria, which was arrived from the sphaera, which means colloidal shape, So this type of bacteria is also called the sphaerical shaped bacteria. Fourth type of the known as the comma form, which is also known as comma shaped bacteria because it's completely look like a comma shape. So this was called comma shaped bacteria. So we're going to further discuss the arrangement of bacteria. In arrangement of bacteria, we're going to discuss if the bacteria present in singular, it's known as mono, and if bacteria present in pair, if they are present in double or a pair, it's known as diplo. If bacteria present in chain, it's known as tetra, or if bacteria present a group of 4, it's known as tetra, and if bacteria present of the group of 8 cuboidal cell, it's known as saccharine, and if bacteria present of the bunch of cell, it's known as bacteria. So we discussed the morphology of internal external of features of bacteria. Further going to discuss the different type of bacteria which given by the Cohen. In 1872, Cohen classified the bacteria in different form. First was the coccus form. In this coccus form, the diameter measure was 0.5 to 1.25 micrometer, and it is a small spherical bacteria. So second, it is a different type of bacteria which shows in the coccus. First one was the bacteria divided by singular plane and get to be the independent form are known as monococcus or a coccus form. Second type of bacteria was the bacteria divided by singular plane and get present in a pair is known as diplococcus bacteria. Diplo means 2. If the bacteria present in the pair is known as diplococcus bacteria. Third type of bacteria was the bacteria divided by singular plane and be in pair and get further division and form a fourth chain in the form of fourth chain. It's known as Streptococcus bacteria. The bacteria is present in the form of chain is known as Streptococcus bacteria. Four type of the bacteria present are divided by singular plane and get to be attached and get further division and are present in a group of four, which is known as Tetracoccus bacteria. Fifth type of bacteria was the bacteria divided by singular plane. It's get further division in being pair and further division. The second type of division or second type of plane is second type of plane. And being pair and get third type of division. It's known as Saccharine bacteria and present a 8 cuboidal cell. Present of 8 cuboidal cell in a Saccharine bacteria. Sixth type of bacteria was the bacteria present in the for division occur. Then present the pair and second division also occur. Then present the pair and third division also occur. And form a group of cell is known as Staphylococcus bacteria. So in first two type of bacteria, first monobacillus, diplobacillus, streptobacillus or tetrabacillus, the cell division occurs by the singular plane. But in singular plane or in regular pattern. But in the fifth or sixth, which means Saccharine or Staphylococcus bacteria, the cell division occurs by the three plane, which was the either be the regular or irregular. In Saccharine bacteria, the divided by three plane, which was the so regular pattern of arrangement, cell division. Sorry, in regular pattern of cell division. But in Staphylococcus bacteria, the cell division occurs by three plane, but in these in regular planes, in regular pattern of cell division occur. So we going to further discuss the second type of bacteria, which was known as the Bacillus form. In Bacillus form of bacteria, is a diameter of 1.5 micrometer in length and 0.5 micrometer in diameter. So it's a bacteria between these 1.5 micrometer and 0.5 micrometer in diameter. So in this type of bacteria, it's a elongated rod-shaped bacteria. It's a look like a stick, elongated rod-shaped bacteria. It's further going, they are divided into three types. First was the single elongated, if the bacteria present in singular or independent form or in the elongated cell, in known as monobacillus bacteria. So if the bacteria present in singular form or elongated cell, in known as monobacillus bacteria. Second was the diplobacillus bacteria. If the bacteria present in the pair, diplobacillus bacteria. Third was the present in chain. If the bacteria present in form of chain, occurs Streptobacillus bacteria. So third type of bacteria was the Sphaerotheca bacteria. Sphaerotheca bacteria, the diameter between the 1.5 to the 15 micrometer in length. These are elongated spiral rod shaped bacteria. This is elongated rod shaped bacteria. This look like that, and it mostly bacteria or motile in these characters. Sphaerotheca shaped bacteria. Fourth type of bacteria was the comma shaped bacteria. In the comma shaped bacteria, it's look like a comma. It's look like a comma shape, and it is motile. So other two type of bacteria, which was the other two type of bacteria, which was the other of the except the coccus bacteria, which does not show the any mortality because in the absence of the flagella. But in the all three type of bacteria, Bacillus, Sphaerotheca or comma shaped bacteria, it's showing the locomotion because presence of flagella. But in the Bacillus form, it either be the motile or non-motile because in some bacteria it's presence of flagella also present, but in some bacteria it's also be absent. In example to be the non-motile was the Lactobacillus bacteria, which was a non-motile bacteria in Bacillus. So thank you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel and be in support and be in spirit form to be a strong community to be where we learn together. And if there any problem, if you wanted to in another language, please know me in description. So thank you for watching.